Hello everyone, welcome to a brief overview about Synergy Homeopathic Software. Several potencies higher. Yes, it is several potencies higher, and you will get to know in this video in the brief overview about how it will help each class of homeopath. Let us go further. We all have been using Mac Repertory, Reference Works, and also an interesting program which is Vital Quest. Now these programs have been integrated in a new interface, new version, and it is named as Synergy Homeopathic Software. The old features of ReferenceWorks, which is the search engine, the homeopathic Google is present, the ease of access, and we can focus on what we want. And there is integration of everything, Mac Repertory, ReferenceWorks, and Vital Quest. Let us see in this video how it is going to help each class of homeopath. Now, before I proceed, I would like to quote Dr. Rajan Shankar, who has been using these programs since a long time. In fact, he has done a very good research on plant families with the help of these programs. So certainly they have been invaluable. Not only him, there are other homeopaths there like Dr. Rina Markovits, and she recommends these programs to all her students. So what is it in the programs that makes everyone to go for it and buy it? Let us see. Now what you have in this video is something interesting. What is the mission of Synergy? It is to contribute to success of homeopathic practitioners, students or teachers by providing gold standard tools and support the practice to make more effective, more better. And it will help any level of student, practitioner, any level specific method practitioner and any level of researcher. Now, let me share a simple case of sciatica to proceed with the today's video. Now, there is a patient who complains of a left-sided pain in the left side posterior aspect of the leg, and there is no specific type of pain. These are one-off cases, one-sided cases which will not give you much symptoms. And when the patient is waiting and giving you the history, suddenly the patient shakes the leg, and it's very interesting. It's an interesting observation for a homeopath how the patient has shaken the leg. And when you ask him about confirming what he did just a while ago, he tells that I just shake my leg when I have this typical pain and I feel better. So what is it that we can use this particular observation, this particular symptom to make a search for in the program? So there is a very interesting thing about such cases, and then it is that no rubric you will find in such cases. You may come across some patient words which are very specific, some observations which are very specific, and the latest repertories may not give you those exact words. So you need to watch for patient words, you need to watch and observe the patient, and that is where the key to homeopathic practice lies, the key to use the Synergy Homeopathic Software lies. There is a very simple search in the program which we need to do. Let me take you to the program to let you see what is something interesting which you will learn today. So let me go to the program. This is how it looks, and the interface has been merged. So here is the search window, and you can search in reference library as well as in the repertory, and the search for us is sciatica, and it is just the word shake because this is what we observed and this is the symptom in the case. And when we make a search, no repertory will find the symptom, the rubric, but when you see in the reference library, you have one remedy which is interesting, fluoric acid, and it comes from the magazine Homeopathy 1941. Now you would like to read the symptom, you can just hover your cursor and you can see that the curious symptom which led to the cure of sciatica wants to shake the part. If you would like to read in detail, I just click on it and I am led to the particular symptom in the source books, and that is the best part of the program, that it kind of gives you a avenue into the different books right away from a simple search which it takes you to. A curious symptom which led to the cure of sciatica wants to shake the part. Now this is there in the Homeopathy 1941. So let's go back to our slideshow, and this is the simple result, the simple program which comes from Synergy Homeopathic Software, and it transforms your practice. So this revolutionary program, you can use the homeopathic Google, you can repertorize like the masters, you can repertorize with the masters. You have the authenticity. There is a new repertory I would like to share, and there are interesting cases which I have recently seen. Reliable repertory. There is authentic symptom. Each symptom you can rely upon it with trust and authenticity. That is what a homeopath needs. You have the focus where you want to focus. You can use the limits to go into the program into a specific chapter with a specific search. We'll see in a certain case today. And you can be a researcher, whether you have a practice of 10 to 15 years, 20 years, and you want to research the program, you want to research something interesting from the database, you have it all at your fingertips. Not all cases can be repertorized. The first thing I would like to share, there are some cases where patient language is very important, and if you have been practicing since a long time, you will come to know that there are cases where you can't find a particular rubric in any repertory, whether it is repertory, the latest repertory, or you change the software, anything. So you need a tool which will decipher the direct patient language, and that is what the program does. So we have the revolutionary concept search in SHS, and it will search for you in repertory and reference library. And this homeopathic Google, I have named it because it's like a Google. You search anything you want and you get it. How do you know about this? Let me take you to the program to help you know about the searches. So there was an interesting case I had, and this case was having a lot of pain in the cheek region, in the tooth, and it was more so on touching. And when I examined the case, the patient told me that the last tooth is pain, which is the molar. The type of pain, patient told me that there is a kind of a shooting pain. Suddenly it comes and goes. And when it is more, touch. So you have three things in the case. You have the location, you have the sensation, and you have the modality. So we go to the program and we just make a search, molar, shooting, and touch. And we have some rubrics in the repertory, definitely, why not? And there is a remedy, Tarantula cubensis. Let's see what we get in the reference library. Magmure, interesting, and it comes from Hahnemann's chronic diseases. Oh my goodness, this is an eye-opener. Tearing and boring in a hollow molar with shooting pain on touching the cheek, relieved by open air, and cold, aggravated by warm substances. Isn't it so beautiful? It takes you directly to the source book, and it opens up different avenues for you to practice, to prescribe, to analyze, and to reach the right remedy and heal your patient. That is a revolution we have in our fingertips. With Magmure, this patient improved drastically. So in this way, there was another case where the patient had coryza. I am a prescriber who sees many acute cases, and it's like a place where very few doctors are present. And now, since the population is growing and the suburbs of Mumbai are growing, you will have a lot of cases which are reaching to the nearest doctor available. And because of the COVID, it is even more so difficult for them to reach to a doctor who is far off. So there was a case where there was a lot of coryza, and a patient had pain in the eyes. And when was it more? It was more by touching. Same case, same modality, I would say. And then I just make a search in the program, pain, eye, touch. Now, how do you craft these searches? What words you use? What connectors you use? I'll be making many videos on this to help you understand. But this is just a brief overview, and we'll just cover all the different parts very quickly. So the patient complains of pain in the eye aggravated by touch, and the patient has coryza. So you don't want coryza to be far off in the search anywhere. And when you make a search, you can't find it in repertory, because this is like it's a complex search we are doing for a repertory. When we go to the reference library, we have something interesting from Herring's guiding symptoms, and that is fluid coryza alternating with stoppage, eyes painful to touch, soreness in the throat, pain in the chest, cough, and finally diarrhea. And this is significant complaint in influenza cases. Sanguinaria, and it comes from smell and nose chapter section. This opens up different roads for you to prescribe. Some interesting cases like pathological cases, patient having needle like pain in the chest, which is like a concomitant in a fibroid case which I had. And this patient also complained of yellow perspiration. So I go and connect all the three different symptoms. Type the letters needle chest. So you take the keywords of the case. So I type needle chest, and in the same remedy fibroid, and then in the same remedy yellow perspiration. And when I make a search, the repertory does not understand that language. So when we go in the reference library, we have 5 remedies: Bryonia, China, Conayam, Lachesis, and Thuja. With the other symptoms available in the case, I could strongly prescribe Thuja, and with a great relief to the patient. So your words are highlighted in the center, and it so beautifully opens up the case that it gives you different avenues. For example, one another interesting search I would like to show you. I had a case where everything was matching phosphorus in a menopausal woman, but I wanted to study what are the symptoms of phosphorus at menopause, what are the rubrics of phosphorus at menopause. So what I did was something interesting in the program, and this is something beautiful I learned recently. So I type just phosphorus as a remedy, and I type menopause. So when I make a search, it gives me all the different rubrics from all the different repertories. Female genitalia menopause, and menopause means is return after weakness after menopause. And when you see the reference library, you have mental neurosis or flushes of heat and lot of things. So it kind of gives you a way to study the program as well. You study the patient. So that was about the homeopathic Google, and I believe I can go on hours and hours sharing cases, but we just need to get an overview, and we'll cover more aspect about it, about the search, about the making a search, about crafting the search in more videos in future. Repertorize like the masters, repertorize with the masters. Now there is something interesting in the program, and that is Vital Quest. The Vital Quest module is like an expert system, is like a graph. You will have expert system and graphs in all the programs, but Vital Quest takes your program, your analysis, your patient symptoms to another level. Let me share a couple of interesting cases with you, and this is kind of an eye-opener for you. So this is a simple case with a deep sensation experienced by the patient, and the patient has a lot of migraine in the left side of the head, as in there is pulsating and throbbing pain, and the pain was constant. There was no modality as such, and what the patient liked was a lot of fruits, lot of juices. Now in the mind aspect, the patient shared that if anyone has done anything bad with her, she does not want to tell that person. This is because she feels that that person will be hurt, and I also don't want to get hurt. So I don't share, I don't want to express, and I think because of this I have migraine problem, because I'm keeping my feelings to myself. Let us see. We have the rubrics in the case: anger, violent, head pain, general throbbing, and fruits desire. There are a lot of remedies coming. How would you be able to define a particular remedy for the case? It can be nitram, it can be ignatia, it can be sulfur, it can be stag, it can be silica, it can be anything. So what you do in such cases is that you go to the program. For example, let me take you to the program again, and you'll be able to understand how this Vital Quest program works. So when you go to the Synergy Homeopathic Software SHS, it shows you 3 approaches in the Insight module, Insight case taking: format approach, therapeutic approach, and text approach. We'll cover this more in detail, but if you type hurt over here, it will give you all the locations, all the different kingdoms where the hurt is present, and you see I just select something which is related to her. She is morbidly sensitive. She is sensitive to trifle, vexed, distressed, annoyed, harassed, insulted. So you can take this to the program and you can select it over here and it goes to your clipboard with your analysis. So that is what happened with me in my case as well. It took me to the clipboard and you can see the remedy coming was ranunculus. It can be very easy choice, but this is how the program works. It opens up many cases for you with certain particular words which the patient shares. Another case, and this is the very interesting case of depression. The middle-aged lady, tuition teacher, now because of the COVID period, she's under lockdown and she couldn't go out, and there was no desire to work, not to do any job. Now I want to stay away from people, relatives, and there is lot of anxiety which causes sleeplessness. There is dreams of future events. Something will happen tomorrow, and that event happens tomorrow, and they have become true. When you ask her, what is the feeling in your depression? Why are you feeling lonely? What do you want to do? I feel suffocated. I feel sinking. I feel dragged. You'll have certain cases where certain typical words are there, and these words are sensation words. And when you use these words to repertorize this case, you bring the repertory, you bring the vital quest module, you bring the sensation words together, and when you repertorize, you get the remedy, the family hammer melody. And when you take away the sensation analysis and you see the repertorization, it shows you cannabis indica as one of the remedies which is coming. So cannabis indica was chosen and this patient improved drastically. So you can use the expert system, you can use the graphs, you can repertorize like the masters, you can repertorize with the masters. That is the beauty of the program. There are many things in the program, but I'm just taking an overview so that we cover most of the aspects. Authenticity. Now we need a program, we need a repertory which gives us more authentic sources for all our repertory rubrics which we are searching. For example, now I had this interesting case where this laborer came to my clinic and he was having lot of pain and stiffness in the right leg. There was mild swelling, not so much, but since he is used to heavy work, he saw that he could only the only thing he could do, he couldn't buy anything to apply. He just applied the handkerchief that he had, the towel or the whatever piece of cloth he had. There was considerable pain. Now what can we do in such a case? When we go to the repertory, and this is the beauty of the reliable repertory which I am using very often these days, and it opens up different avenues to your practice. So you go to extremities and let me customize it so that I can do anything with the program. I can customize it and I can show the rubrics, show the remedies, and etc, etc. Well, those are the feature related aspects which can be covered in training. So we have this interesting case of pain in the knee and tying the handkerchief ameliorate, and the remedy is arsenic. Now how this remedy is present and how will it help this case? I would like to read the source, and when I right click on it and view reference string, it is written from Allen's Handbook of Homeopathic Materia Medica and Therapeutics, stiffness and coldness of the knee, so that he tied handkerchief around them, otherwise they were painful and disturbed the sleep. That is the beauty of this program, Synergy Homeopathic software, and with the reliable repertory. For example, I had another case where the patient felt that there is lot of blockage of ears because of the coryza. So the only thing which you can do is you can go to the rubric blocked and you see eustachian tubes, and there is a remedy Kali bicrontum. Right click on it, reference eustachian tube seems blocked up. He is very deaf, could not hear, watch except very close to the ear. One very interesting case that I had was a female who was on Kali carb for a menopausal complaint, but suddenly one day the bleeding started and it was a kind of a painless bleeding, but it was continuing day and night, and there was no other symptom which she had. The only thing she she was distressed with was to change the cloths and linens or every now and then. So I went to the program, and you see there is, I close the remedies for better navigation, and metrorrhagia, thin fluid blood, painless flow, and you see kali ferrocyanidum. So you see this remedy and you want to read about it. Let's go to the program. Right click on the reference string and passive painless flow from Clark Dictionary of Practical Materia Medica. This is kind of your author sitting with you, showing you where I had written, what I had written, and that will open up many things. So let us go to the authenticity. Yes. Now focus on what you want. Use the programs creatively, innovatively, with passion, with precision. Now, why I say passion? Because I love this feature. Let's go to the program. I'll show you something interesting, and this will help you a lot in your practice. Let us close this search. Now patient comes to you and he tells that he is having coryza, and the coryza started after taking milk, especially cold milk. So I go to the program, I just type cold 3 words milk, and I want to limit it to a particular section. Which section? Causation. So when I make a search, I have from the Clark's repertory kali iode as the causative factor for any problem that has happened. That's the beauty of the program. Let me show you something else. Patient came to me and told me that he had lot of irritation in the ear, lot of vague feeling in the ear, and there is something moving in the ear. What's there? A live sensation. Where is it? In the ear. So you have here ear, and you select both, and when you make a search, it will give you a lot of remedies in the reference library as well as in the repertory. So when it shows you from the reference, from the repertory, you go to the program, you go to the reference string, and you read the source of the remedy. Itching, crawling as from something alive in the ear. She was obliged to bore in with the finger. You go to the direct source book, which is Encyclopedia of Pure Materia Medica. So in this way, your program, your limits, you can make a search for example, for diabetes. And where you would like to find diabetes? In Dr. Sarkar's book, because he is a good author who has written something interesting about different clinical conditions. Now, this is so I go to the Materia Medica. Sarkar, just you see diabetes, and there I go with 26 remedies or whatever in the Materia Medica, and I just hover my cursor onto the reference string, and it opens up the entire symptom. So I don't have to exactly click and go to the reference string or the Materia Medica, but I can get an overview about the different mention about the word diabetes right there and then. Or you would like to study a remedy, suspicious, most suspicious. Now I feel arsenic is suspicious. You can search in repertory, you can search in Materia Medica. I would like to study about arsenic from different Materia Medicas. Let me see what happens. And there you go. You get some results from repertory, you get some results from Materia Medica also. And you have so many references from Homeopathic World, Homeopathic Recorder, Dr. Gunuante, Bogus Synoptic Key, from Allen's Handbook, etc. etc. Manjiala Wari, Murphy, Fatak, yes. So that's how the program will open up different avenues when you want to focus on what you want, especially the limits. This will change your practice altogether. Last but not the least, You can be a researcher. You can explore the program from the word go. You can be a student who wants to learn something as a beginner. You can be a explorer, exploring the different aspects of the program. You can study the source books. You can study the latest books. You can study the provings. You can study the cases. I'll show you how. The materia medica aspect, and you want to see all the books. You see all the latest books are available, and you just click on the. So you want to only study the cases? Yes. Let us see only the cases over here. Beautiful. You want to reset it. It is reset. And you want to study only the provings? Okay, let's go and see only the provings. You see only the provings. That is the best part of the programs, that it helps you to do what you want. A revolution is waiting at your fingertips. You can work alongside the masters, you can work with the masters, and there are various versions available for all class of homeopaths. Now, this program is several potencies higher, as I claimed in the beginning, and definitely it can be. There is case taking, there is repertory analysis, there is global search, there is family graphs, there is expert analysis, much more. Family graphs and expert analysis I haven't covered, but definitely they are one aspect which we can cover in future videos. So there are many online videos, there are periodic training webinars, and round the clock tech support. So several potencies higher. Synergy homeopathic software is the one which you need to get at the earliest. If you are interested, you can definitely contact me. The link to fill up the form is in the message below. That's all from me. Thank you.